Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be looking into how we can install VS Code icons extension. Okay, so if you can see, these are the files which I have created with different extension. One is the HTML REST4 text file. Okay, and then the last one is HTML. Okay, if suppose I also have sample JS. Okay, let's say I also have sample.ts. Okay, so it's not very easy to recognize these file types, right? We have to always read each extension, right? So there is visual indication. For visual indication, we can install a small extension named VS Code icons. Okay, so first let's click on extensions. Okay, and search here VS Code icons. Hit enter. Okay, the first one we have to select. Okay, VS Code icon team. Okay, this one we have to select and then install it. Okay, that's it. And now if I go to, suppose, my file explorer, you can see the different file icons. This is HTML icon, JS, TS, okay, text file, HTML. Okay, you can also set the icons in the different icon types in the settings. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.